Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. We're looking at our view from the Home of Economy location. This is in Devil's Lake, and there's a pretty stout thunderstorm. In fact, it is and has become severe as it's crossed the international border. Not in our viewing area, though. Therefore, our risk of severe storms tonight, not huge, but it is there. Tomorrow, a better chance. In fact, tomorrow, a first alert weather day. Now, damaging wind will be the initial primary concern, but I'll show you the other concerns we have that include hail and even the chance for a tornado risk. We'll have the details coming up here momentarily. For now, though, enjoy your evening because it is quiet. Temperature of 85 as we heat it right back up. Notice these dew points are back up into the 60s as well. That's that muggy air you can wear. The wind calm this hour, so not a lot of a cooling effect there, if you will. 83 in Jamestown, 84 for Oaks, and sneaking into Lakes Country, we have low 80s from Fergus Falls, Alexandria, all the way up to Park Rapids. Thief River right now, 77 degrees, 75 in Langdon as the outflow from that thunderstorm to your west may be impacting your air temperature a bit. Check out the moisture in the air. Anytime you see dew points in the 60s, it's pretty, well, humid. We have drier air over northern Minnesota, but there is some significantly humid air across the central part of the Dakotas, and that will fuel a chance of storms tonight into the overnight hours. Here is a look at the thunderstorm that is severe, and you're looking at areas just off to the west of Rolette and Rolla, here moving into Bottineau. This storm here capable of very large hail, in fact 2-inch diameter hail, not going to be out of the question in the path of that storm. But it has only moved about 30 miles in 2.5 hours. It's not a fast mover, folks. Here's your forecast. Tonight, quiet for most. Our best chance of thunderstorms comes late tonight, in fact, after midnight, moving in from the west. Because it's so late, the risk of severe drops off considerably. We'll watch for hail or gusty winds out of a couple of those storms that will continue to percolate through the central Red River Valley as we go through the overnight hours and into your morning. Temperatures near 70, a muggy start. Watch out of Canada what happens by the midday hour. Looks like a line of thunderstorms. A backward C shape here indicates a gusty wind threat from this line of thunderstorms or cluster of thunderstorms. The damaging straight line winds will work their way from the northern valley midday and into your afternoon down into the central valley and Lakes Country. Looks to be the best chance as these continue to trek south. Now, here's the deal. In the afternoon heat of the day, over here where we get some sunshine, these discrete or isolated cells that form will be forming in an environment that could indeed have enough spin in it to cause an isolated tornado. So gusty straight line wind threat, large hail, and isolated tornado threat as we go through the evening hours. And it continues to rumble into the night. Have your Valley News Live weather app handy and we'll keep you ahead of the storm. Here's your planning forecast. First alert weather day on your Tuesday. A sizzler, 90 degrees. It's even warmer on Wednesday, and we cannot rule out more storms on your midweek day. A little bit cooler to close out your week. Look at this, 1st of August, and we carry you through the week here. Temperatures mostly above average until we get to the weekend. Then we're comfortable. Can't rule out a few spotty storms, nothing too organized the way it looks. The rest of your 11-day forecast takes us through the 11th of August, and we're still summer-like there. So we'll guide you through some storms. They could indeed be strong to severe, particularly tomorrow. Even tonight, late, we'll keep you posted.
Looks like once we get the next few days, though, we get a little break from the intense heat. We've had all those 90-degree plus days. We got a little break from that.
Yeah. Exactly. Yep.
Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.
Still ahead on Valley News Live at 6, North Dakota's teacher shortage is causing an emergency request for Governor Doug Burgum. We'll explain.